Maybe you started to work out at the beginning of the year, it's not working out for you, you're looking for something new. Diva Dance is for you because it's fun, it's a little different. This is Rashaida, who is the owner, and we want to get off the top, talk about the furloughed workers that are watching right now, and if they want to join Diva Dance, you have a great special for them right now.
Absolutely. For furloughed workers, we're giving our 10-day trial special. So just shoot us an email at dc@divadancecomedy.com, and I will get you your 10-day free trial pass.
Important to take care of yourself during this time as well and work out, so take advantage of that. Let's look at class that just started here at Diva Dance. That's Lydia, the teacher. We have Courtney, Christy, and Emily that are beginning class here this morning. Tell us what Diva Dance is all about, how it's different than regular workouts.
Yeah, so Diva Dance is all about empowering people and building confidence. We're big on that hardcore cardio, making sure people have a good, fun workout while building community.
Okay, you see Christy right here in the middle. Christy's a ballroom dancer, so she does ballroom dancing. This is totally different for her, outside her element. She just started the classes a couple of weeks ago and loves it. These classes are for anybody.
It's for anyone, any experience level. Come out, feel good, slay, and have a great time.
They say any experience level, but let's join the class right now. I bet you that my experience level does not fit into this class. Here we go, all right?
Yeah, so let's punch it across right
We're going to punch it across.
Thumbs up.
All right, back to you guys.
You don't look half bad, kid.
Love it.
He's been practicing
Yeah.
that. Okay. The moves we want to see.
Whoa. And he does it with a smile. What do they call that move?
I'm not sure.
Hanging out at Diva Dance right now, and we are learning some of the dance moves. This is not only a workout, but you also get to learn how to dance. And the next time you go to a club, you'll actually look like you know what you're doing, unlike me when I go, I have a couple cocktails, I feel like I know what I'm doing, Lydia. But
There you go. Yeah,
no.
confidence is key, you know?
You saw me dancing earlier this morning. I don't really have.
We'll get you there.
Okay, let me introduce everybody that's here this morning. We have Courtney, Christy, Emily, Rashaida, who is the owner of Diva Dance, and Lydia is the teacher. Dance background, never went into fitness until you said, I want to combine dance and fitness, and that's what you do right now. So what are the moves we're going to learn here?
Yeah, of course. So let's break it down. Spread it out. Give yourself a little bit of space. We're going to start it off punching to the side right here, so kind of crossing that chest. Then you're going to flip it, crossing it the other way. Yes, so punch, punch. Then do you give yourself some motivation this morning? Thumbs up.
Thumbs
give yourself
up.
a good time.
Workout
yes, right
Wednesday.
there. One more time. Cross it, thumbs up, thumbs up. Moving on from there, take that right hand. You're going to punch it across that way, open it up, then party it right here. Let's party. Let's party.
That's called a let's party?
Let's party. Let's party. Yes, kind of like that club atmosphere that you were just talking about right here. You know what I'm saying?
So if you're watching at home right now, you can learn these moves as well. But now, is this how every class starts out? No music at all. You just kind of learn what the moves are.
Great question. So we start off with music to warm up, then slowly but surely, step by step, we learn the moves. Just so you're not overwhelmed, and by the end, you put it together with the music, so you have a nice full routine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the other moves we're going to learn?
Yeah, so after our party here, you're going to put your hand in your pocket.
Hand in my pocket.
Hand in your other pocket, then you're going to party it down right here.
Party
yes.
it down.
Then you're going to pull up your pants to the left 2 times, 1 time to the right, then a big jump up right here. Snap it. Yes.
And that's it.
And that's it.
All right, so we're going to add the music to it. You just saw the moves right now. Rewind on your DVR if you have to learn them again. And you can do the dance moves with us with the music coming up after 8 o'clock. All morning long, been hanging out at Diva Dance, and this is the workout that not only gets you moving, but you walk away and you learn some dance moves. So the next time you go out with the friends, you look like you know what you're doing. Rashaida is the owner, and earlier this morning on Good Morning Washington, you said that you have a special for furloughed workers as well.
Absolutely. We have our free 10-day trial pass. It's unlimited classes. It's free. Come out. We support our furloughed workers.
That's absolutely awesome. It's important to stay healthy during this time and take care of yourself. So do it with a Diva Dance class. Get some energy. Class is going on right now with Lydia, and Courtney and Christy and Emily are dancing. We're going to join in because how every class starts, just so you know, they teach you the moves without the music.
Right.
You learn the choreography, and then by the end of the class, you're all doing a big group dance. You kind of look like Beyonce at the Super Bowl. Right?
That's our goal.
All right, let's get in class here and see if we can join in. Oh, by the way, when they teach you the dance moves, it's a little bit slower, and then the music starts, and it's like way fast. So, oh my God. Yes! See how easy that is? It's so much faster when you actually have to do it with the music. All right, and this is for guys and girls, by the way, we should point out. It's not just for girls.
For everyone, any level of experience.
You always say that, but well, see, at least if you don't know what you're doing, you can still just dance,
You can
right?
just groove,
And you also say by the end of class, people are literally just sweating.
Drenched in sweat. So much cardio. It's